I'm going to show you how to set up your TH8S Shifter add-on in ETS or ATS. So the first thing, this is how I get it to work. The first thing I do is plug it in. It's only a USB, so just plug it in, then go to Control Panel. And I don't know why it always comes up as T500 RS gear shift, but if it has, that's it. Click on Properties. Once that's up on the screen, then just make sure each gear works. I'm in second gear now, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and then eighth, all reverse. Once that's done, you can check for updates if you wish by just clicking this button. Make sure the little H and then the 7+1 is checked. Once that's done, click OK, and then we'll start up the game. So now the game's loaded, and this is exactly the same as you would do it on American Truck Sim. So first of all, go to Options, and then we'll go to Controls, which is down the bottom, and hopefully you'll have your wheel and the TH8S Shifter. I haven't set up the wheel, so that's why it says keyboard and missing. So this has just got my shifter in it, so as long as you've got your wheel and your shifter, you should be okay to go. And then what you want to do, I go down to Input Wizard, so you click on that, and then I click Controls, then Steering Wheel, and then I click H Shifter, so I click that, and then I pick Range, and of course this is where all the wheel settings would be. For your brake, accelerator, and so on. So I'll go to Next, and then this is where your shifter is. So what you do then is click on it, so it highlights it yellow, and then move straight away your shifter into first gear. Once it's in first gear, let it go back to the center of the shifter, then go down to the next one, and so on and so on. So really now this Joy 7, if I put it in reverse now, is joy button 7, and then shifter 1 is going to be button 0. Position 2, which is second gear, is 1. Third gear is 2. Fourth gear 3. Fifth gear is 4, and the sixth gear is 5. Now if you want to then go up to, let's say you've got a gearbox which does 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and so on, make sure you do a shifter toggle, so you could press any key on your wheel, or let's say I'm using the letter M for mother. That means that when you press it, then you can go back to the first gear, and that'd be number 8 gear, number 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on and so on. You'd have to press M then again to go back to the first section of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once that's all done and you've had a mess around with this and they all light up, as you can see at the top right hand side over here, they're all lighting up here. 4th gear, 5th gear, 3rd gear, 1 gear and so on. Go to Next, and hey presto, that's how you do it.